On today's video, we'll be talking about the new campaign that just recently launched on Zilly on the 21st. It's ending September 21st, so you better rush in now not to miss. They are rewarding participants 300,000 of their token, which is hot. So, and it's worth 1,500. So the first place is collecting 16,000 pieces. The second 10,000. 10 to 50 rank is collecting 3,000 each, and so on. I did calculation, and this first place position is worth $80. So you can aim for, it's better aim for higher ranks in order to have more money as you partake in the campaign. So it's the distribution will be within days after they get listed on exchange. Currently now they have a pre-sale going on. So as soon as you see this video, make sure you jump in and start doing the tasks before it's too late. So in order for you to rank either 100 or 50, or if you can do more, you can rank 1 or 2 or 3, anyone. So better rush in now. I'll be dropping the link to the campaign on the description of the video, so do well to join. So that's it, guys, and don't forget to join my WhatsApp group. There I post updates concerning the videos I post here, so in case of any important thing that needs to be done concerning any project I talk about, I'll update it on my WhatsApp group. See you later.